Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and it doesn't really matter if we will be on the video mode or on the photo mode. We have to simply enter the general settings, and they are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and as you can see on the second section we've got the video settings, and the first position is connected with the video resolution. So let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got 5 different options from which we can choose. So we've got 3 different 1080p options. We've got also 4K, which is, as you can see right now, applied, but also we've got 720p. Of course, the resolution is also connected to the ratio. As you can see here, we've got 2 or 3 actually different ratio types. So all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick, for example, this, the lowest one. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that we just successfully set the new resolution, and your device will use it whilst it will record something. I mean video something. And of course you can pick the option you like the most, but as you can see, it is also notified right here that this 1080p with 16:9 ratio option is recommended by the developer. So let's stick with this option. So basically that's all. This is how to change the video resolution in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.